Hey guys, this is Pittsburgh Pat. I am here teaching kids how to play D&D, and sometimes you can use funny books. This D&D Acquisitions Incorporated book is really funny because it's basically like a fake company. But what's cool about it is like it's funny. There's a lot of laughing in here, which is great for kids. There's a lot of social stuff. There's combat as well, but it talks about business, and it talks about business in a funny way. But what I can do when I do teach kids is I can actually talk about real business principles. It's really funny because the very first time I taught at a college summer camp, and it was on a college university campus. And these three kids were really young. They were between third grade and fifth grade, and the third grader was asking me about money, and so we were talking. I told him about like no load mutual funds or low cost index funds, and they remembered that. In fact, now he's in seventh grade and he still talks about that. And so it's amazing what you can teach with D&D and with these books. So what's nice about these books is that you get a bunch of stat blocks in the back, right? So like in the back here, you get your monsters, you get your NPCs. So you don't have to buy a monster manual necessarily. I mean, it's great to have one. Plus, there are tons of resources online. But this book will give you a step-by-step thing. So basically, if you're an experienced DM, you can just open the book and just read and follow the adventure. If you're not, and even for experienced DMs, we like to read through the chapter that we're going to do next, or at least the section we're going to do next first. But like usually there's maps. I don't see a ton of maps here. There's even a cartographer section, but I don't see any maps. And like if it's a dungeon crawl, you'll have dungeon maps and it'll tell you what's in every room. But here, like for instance, it'll tell you like things you recorded in a whisper jar, and you roll a D8 and then you come up with like 5. So you roll 5. The top 7 places to eat fried rat skewers in every settlement where you ever visited is something that you can remember. So this is a fun little book. And this is, like I said, mostly social situations, but every once in a while there is combat. So if you have any questions about this, I would love to answer them. Here we go. Here's a good section on which has maps. So this helps the players visualize where they are in the room and helps you as a DM. So like here, for instance, if you go to the tentacle, here, number 8, area 8, go to section 8, and there's the description. You read what's in the box aloud, and then this you read to yourself, and if the characters need to make like a DC intelligence check, it'll tell you history, and it gives you clues on how to run the adventure, which is really nice. So if you're a beginner DM, great. If you're a beginner player, you probably want to not read this if you know your DM's going to do this, because there'll be spoilers. But it's fun reference material, and you should read one of these anyway, so you get a gist of like what it's like. And every player should DM at some point because it's just a whole lot of fun. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for subscribing. We're over 16,000 right now and building. So I hope you have a great day. Take care.